Back to the channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this video we are going to be making it very quick and short. All right, so on this video we are going to be talking about the mining of a free coin that is launching on core blockchain. All right, so this is real and this is really very legit, and you should make sure that you give it a try and do not hesitate to participate on it. All right, so right now what you need to do right is simply stay connected and pay close attention to this video, because I'm going to be showing you all you need to know and all you need to do for you to be able to mine this coin that I'm talking about right here and get to withdraw it into your account when necessary. All right, so actually in this video I'm going to be showing you how to mine it and how to withdraw it when done, and also I'm going to be proving to you the reason why this airdrop is very legit and why you should participate on it. All right, so right now stay cool, stay tuned and stay sharp. First thing, before we go ahead and learn about how to do this, you know how we do it. We do give out free BNB. We run a free BNB campaign right here on our channel. So if you want to participate on this free BNB campaign, you just simply come right here below the video you're watching right now. You are going to be seeing a button that looks like this. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you simply consider subscribing by clicking on the subscription button like this, and also tapping on this bell icon and selecting all, so that YouTube will send you notification immediately we post our next video that we're gonna help you make cool money out of this crypto market. All right, so the next thing you need to take care of right here now is simply go ahead and give this video a thumbs up like this, and also make sure you share it to any social media platform of your choice. And finally, you get to put your comment right here telling me what you think about this video, because actually right here on the comment section is where we pick our winners. So right now also, this is our Telegram channel, which the link is going to be dropped right down here on the description of the video. So this is our Telegram channel right here like this. So over here on our Telegram channel, we do publish a lot of information that's going to help you make money on this crypto space, and also this is where we announce our winners for the free BNB campaign. All right, so when you look down here, you can see this is where we announce it, and also this is where we publish a lot of information beforehand before you can be able to hear from it any SEO. So if you are very active on the crypto space, you will hear about when I talked about when here, and this is the last day to claim your win if you haven't claimed it yet. So right now, that's all you need to know right now. Let's go back and talk about how we can be able to get this coin on our core blockchain and get to withdraw it, and also how we can be able to start mining this coin. All right, so right now let me take you to the X handle. So over here on the X handle, this is what we are talking about, openex. All right, so right now you can see this is the official announcement right here. You can see we are thrilled to announce that our official partnership with core_org, so which is the core blockchain. This is the handle on Twitter. So let me continue. To celebrate, we are launching a free mining event on the Satoshi app. So thanks to our amazing community for your active participation. Together we will build a unique and open exchange like any desk. All right, so right now you have heard it. Let me now go to the X openly. You can see over here they have about 138k followers right here, and when I scroll down you can see this is how their X handle looks like. It is very active, and a lot of things is happening here anyway. So let me now just not waste your time. Let me do this very quick and get to continue with what we need to do, right? So the next thing you need to do, once you have heard everything and get to understand this video, you can also go ahead and dive and do your own research about this project and get to find out more about it. But I'm promising you that this project is legit, and I will be showing you more information about it, and I'll be proving to you guys the reason why you need to join it. This mining is not like any other mining. All right, so the first thing you need to do to get started, what you need to do right now is simply go ahead and open your Apple Store. If you are using iPhone, you should simply check out your iOS store and get to download this app I'm going to be showing you right now. All right, so when you open your Play Store like this, you just get to the search bar and type in Satoshi, type in Satoshi app like this. So don't joke with this, okay? So then you go ahead and send it, and this app is gonna open up. You click on this one. This is what I'm talking about. You get to install it if you haven't installed it yet. So once you're done installing it, you click on it. So obviously on this app, this is the same place that we mined core. You know, before core launched, they also did something like this. We mined core right here on this app and we withdrew it. So this airdrop I'm gonna be showing right now is very legit, and do not hesitate to participate on it. So the first thing you need to do first is simply get to create your account. A link is going to be dropped on the video description. Use the link to get to create yourself an account and get to continue. All right, so the first thing you need to do is simply click on me. Okay, so when you click on me, then you click over here that I have login like this, then you click on it. Over here you need to input your email address and of course your password. So right now I need to input my password right now. So once I'm done inputting my password, I have to click on login. So if you haven't created an account before, you might see something a little bit different from this, and that's just it. All right, so you just need to create your account and get to download the app. Then you do what I did right now. So right now I'm going to show you guys something. So over here, guys, when I click on project down here, this is project. When I click on it, let me show you all the project over here. So far we have mined a lot of coins right here, but the one I'm talking about right here is this one in particular. All right, so the name of the coin is openex, and over here this is how the mining works. So the first time I made a video concerning this project, this mining is around this side, but right now you can see it has reached up to this side, and when it gets to feed up completely, this airdrop will be closed and the withdrawal will be opened, and anybody that might have mined this app already is going to be withdrawing their coin and trading it. All right, so this is airdrop season, and you should not joke with any airdrop that is coming from a good source like this one. All right, so right now what you need to do first is simply click on the openex. Once you click on it, this is gonna open up. You can just go ahead and read a lot of things about this, but what I need you to take note of right here is that when this gets filled up completely, then we are gonna be withdrawing our coin just like we did when we were still mining core. All right, so right now I will go back like this, then I will go to airdrop. All right, so let me now show you guys how everything works right here. So over here you can see that I am mining a lot of this coin for a little bit long right now. You can see over here, so far I have gotten 22.8 pieces of this openex coin right here. This coin, if it launches on 0.5 or probably $1, you know the amount of the money you have made so far. But this coin is very, very legit. So any coin that is being mined right here on this Satoshi app, you should simply not joke with it. All right, so right now let me now show you guys how this works. So over here, guys, when you look down here, you can see this is the countdown right here. On when this countdown gets to 0, something like this will pop up. All right, so once you have just initiated the mining, this countdown will begin, and after it has counted to 0, you are going to be given this amount of coin right here depending on your hash power. Okay, so over here, guys, when you must have accumulated a lot of coin according to the time, then you should simply come down here and click on claim, and you are going to be claiming your coin right now, and you are going to be seeing as your balance will be increasing. All right, so make sure you use the link down there to get started. All right, so on arrival on this platform, you can see there are a lot of things. You have gift card where you get to just get to claim your gift card, and just many stuff happen here anyway. So right now let me now click on use gift card. You can see you need to paste code right here before you can be able to use all these gift cards. So right now I will go back like this. Then when I click on hash card, a lot of things happen here as well. All right, so but we are not going to be talking about this right now. So over here, let me now go back to the airdrop. So over here, guys, make sure you do this airdrop. Do not joke with it. So we mined our ICE coin, and we were able to cash out a lot of money from there. Also recently, when airdrop came around and we claimed it. So on this channel we talk about to make money for free. All right, so right now what I need to do right now, because I have already earned some things right here, so I have to click on claim right now, and you're going to be seeing my balance change right here. So I have to click on claim. So let me see, you can see how it's increasing. So this is how this mining works. This is not like any other mining that you just open up and leave right there. So make sure you do not joke with this, and make sure you get to refer people, because the more you refer people, the more you get to earn more. All right, and make sure that on every 24 hours you come back right here to restart your mining. All right, so this is how it works, and I believe you have gotten a value out of this video. Please do well to subscribe and join us on this channel. Let's make this money together. And also, I have a lot of airdrop that I'm sure that you don't want to miss out on. I have a lot of them on my list. I'm going to be talking about them right here on my channel, and I believe you don't want to miss out on these. Also, I will be talking about JUP airdrop and many other airdrop that you don't want to miss out on. So stay tuned and stay positioned, because on this channel we make nothing but free money without making any single investment. All right, so thank you, and I believe I've gotten a value out of this video. Please do well to tell me what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will see you guys very soon. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day.